Good morning, students. Welcome to the video class of the chapter Determinant. It is for both science and commerce. Now, Brahmanath. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. My dear students, we have discussed how to find the value of the determinants. And today we are going to discuss what is the minor of the element, what is the cofactor of the element. But before that, we recall the previous concept. Suppose find the value. Find the value of previous concept. Okay, find the value of 3, 4, 1, 2. So this is question and answer is what? 3, 4, 1, 2. This is equal to 6. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 1, that is 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Similarly, another question, find the value of 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4, 1, 1, 7. So its answer is what? Solution, that is answer 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4, 1, 1, 7. But we have place sign here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is place sign. Okay. So according to this rule, first is plus, the right first element 1, and cover this and this. Remaining one 1, 4, 1, 7. 1, 4, 1, 7. Then its sign is what? Expand along row 1. ମୁଁ row 1 ରେ expand କରୁଛି, ତେଣୁ row 1 ର second element ଏଠି ଅଛି 2 ଅଛି, ତାର sign କ'ଣ ହବା ଦରକାର? ମାଇନସ୍ ହବା ଦରକାର, -2. Now cover this 1, 0, 4, 1, 7. 0, 4, 1, 7. Now third element, for third element, the symbol is sign is what? Plus. So put plus sign. And what is third element here? This, cover this third element lies in which row and which column? So 0, 1, 1, 1. That is what? The element is here. The element is 3. So plus sign and then element. Then cover this. The element 3 lies in which row and which column? So 0, 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. Now expand this. Edge. This is 1, 1. And expand this is equal to 1, 7, minus 4, minus 2, 0, this is 0, minus what? 4, plus 3, 0, minus 1. So this is equal to 3, and this is minus 2 into minus 4, and this is 3 into minus 1. So this is equal to what? 3 plus, this is what? 3 plus, this is equal to what? 3 plus 8 minus 3. Clear? Plus 3 plus 8 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 goes cancel. So this is 8 is answer. This is your answer. 8. Eight is our answer. Okay. So these are the previous concept. Now, what do you mean by minor of an element? This is for short question for common student. What is minor of an element? Theory question for the common students. Minor of an element. Minor of an element. Okay. Minor of an element. Minor of an element. Okay. Suppose minor of an element, definition, the minor the minor of an element, suppose Aij. What do you mean by Aij? Element belongs to ith row and jth column is the value of subdeterminates after removing ith row and jth column. The minor of the determinant Aij is denoted by the minor of the element Aij is denoted by capital Mij. Okay, capital Mij. For commerce student, it is theory question. What is minor of an element? Minor of an element. The minor of an element is element Aij is the value of this subdeterminant after removing ith row and jth column. Okay, is called the minor of it is denoted by Mij. One question for you. What is find the minors of the elements? Find the minors of the elements. Find the minors of the elements. Find the minors. Find the minors of 2, 3, 1, 4 suppose. यार पोजीशन कौन कहले बते? What is its position? First row, first column. First row, first column. So our minor symbol कौन हबो? Solution लिखिबा 2, 3, 1, 4. अच्छा ए 2 रो पोजीशन कौन? First row, first column. तो our minor symbol होची M11. Minor symbol ला कौन हबो? M11. M11 पढ़िबो एटा को एटा पढ़ा जीवो M11 means the element minor of the element belong to first row first column. एबे कोन करिया minor रो डेफिनेशन जो एलिमेंट रो माइनर बाहर करबा से एलिमेंट रो कवर कर दियो रो रो कॉलम रो जहां रहला तार वैल्यू इट 4 होला 4 यार पोजीशन फर्स्ट रो दिस इज रो एंड दिस इज कॉलम तो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम को कवर कर दियो कितना रहला 1 रहला सिमिलरली आर पोजीशन A1 रो पोजीशन कोन रो नंबर 2 कॉलम नंबर 1 सो M21 रो 1 कॉलम 2 सो एटा को रो 1 को रो 2 कॉलम 1 को दिस इज रो 2 2 1 रो 2 कॉलम 1 को कवर कर दियो रहउची 3 सिमिलरली M22 means element belong to the minor of the element belong to second row second column cover कर दियो second row second column rows के 2 this is the minor another this is for second order now for third order find the minors find the minors of 2 3 1 4 1 0 2 5 4 find the minors. This is another question. Now this is another question. Now how to find the minors? This position is first row first column, so minor solution M11 first row first column cover this first row first column cover. So what is here 1054 1054 and its value is what? 4 minus this 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Similarly, M12 first row second column cover first row second column cover. So remaining is what? First row second column 4024. Okay, this is cover this first row second column. Okay, also देखो first row second column cover करी 4024. So 16 minus 0 16. Now M13 means first row third column cover करो. first row third column रोज कहते हैं 4125. Okay, 4125 this. So answer is 20 minus 2 18. This is for row 1 and then row 2 second row, and this is what? Second row first column M12, second row first column. So 3154 यार वैल्यू कितना होची 12 minus 5. This is equal to 7. Now M22 second row second column 2124 8 minus 2 2 into 4 8 minus 2. This is equal to 6. And M13 मन रखियो सही एलिमेंट लिखियोनी ए एलिमेंट और इनटू करियोनी से एलिमेंट पूरा कवर कर दो रोज केते 2325 चेक कर दियो उतरे सेकंड रो थर्ड कॉलम 2325 तर आर वैल्यू होची 10 minus 6 is equal to what? 4. एटा रो 1 पे एटा हला रो 2 पे हला रो 3 पे आर एलिमेंट रो 3 column. This is row 3 and this is column 1. So M31 कवर कर दियो रो 3 आ column 1 कवर कला पर 3110 31 कवर करेंगे क्लियर पे 3110 तो वैल्यू कितना आसुची 0 minus 3 into 0 minus 1. Now M32 थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम कवर कर दिया बर्तमान थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम तो 2140 कितना होची 2140 आउ थरे चेक कर दियो ठीक ना बोल थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम 2140 and यार वैल्यू डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू भाग करो 2 into 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Okay, now finally M33 now M33 is equal to what? Finally M33 see M33 here M33 this is minor of the element belong to third row third column. तो M33 एका कवर कर दियो थर्ड रो थर्ड column रोज के 2341 आर डिटरमिनेंट 2 into 2 into 1 2 minus 12 minus 10. Okay, these are the minus. Again repeat it. My M11 so cover first row first column clear 1054 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Then M2 first row M12 first row second column 4024 16 minus 0. Then M13 1 3 first to third column. Okay, so 20 minus what 2 18. Similarly for second row and first column 3 1 5 4 12 minus 5 7, then m 2 2 2 1 2 4 8 minus 2 6, then third what 2 3 2 5. Okay, 2 3 2 5 10 minus 6 4, and these are the concept how to find the minor of the element. This is theory question also for the commerce student. What is minor? 2 mark question. Okay, now we will read what is cofactor of the elements. What is cofactor of the element? Now we will read, we will discuss what is cofactor of the element. Minor is the value of the subdeterminant after removing the first row and the row and column where the elements lies. Minor of an element means it is the value of the subdeterminant after removing the rows and columns where the element lies. Similarly, cofactor of an element is the value of subdeterminant after removing the rows and columns where the elements lies, and followed by the sign rule, that is plus or minus according to the sign rule. Or we can say another definition, the minor of the element Aij is denoted by capital Aij or capital Cij and defined as capital Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Now minor discussed and cofactor of the elements. Cofactor of the elements. Okay, the cofactor of the element Aij, the cofactor of the elements Aij is denoted by capital Aij or capital Cij. ଏବେ ତ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିବି ଚଳିବ, capital Aij ଲେଖିପାର ନହେଲେ capital Cij, cofactor symbol ଟା. So Aij and defined as capital Aij or capital Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power, this is power I plus j into minor Mij. Note, if I plus j is equal to even, then cofactor is equal to minor. If I plus j is equal to odd, then cofactor is equal to minus of minor. This is the definition of the cofactor. Now how to find cofactors of the elements? Let's see how to find the cofactor of the elements. How to find the cofactor of the elements? One question: find the cofactors. Find the cofactors. Find the cofactors of 2, 3, 5 minus. Suppose this is minus 5. This is 8. Find the cofactors. Solution: 2 3 minus 5 8 कोफैक्टर बाहर करबा या पोजीशन होची फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम तो कोफैक्टर कोन लिखि परिबा कैपिटल ए आई जे लिखि परिबा और कैपिटल सी आई जे जे कोनसी गोटे सिंबल लिखले चली जे जोड़ परिबा ए आई जे और सी आई हमर फार्मूला अछि कोन ए आई जे मींस व्हाट हियर first row first column, this is first row first column A11 or we can write here C11 formula amar hochi Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. This is formula. So minus 1 to the power I means 1, j means 1, I plus j एते कला पर माइनर जेमि बाहर करछ फास्ट एटा रहइबो -1 टू द i + j रहइबो तापर जेमिति हमें माइनर बाहर करथले सेम प्रोसेस एठबो हबो तो फर्स्ट कॉलम काट दियो और लागते 8 दिस इज इक्वल टू -1 रो स्क्वायर 8 -1 स्क्वायर मींस +1 है जो तो 8 हला सिमरे फर्स्ट रो सेकंड A21 लिखले हबो और दिस इज A12 लिखले हबो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम और C12 लिखले हबो फार्मूला होची -1 टू द पावर I here I equal to 1 j equal to so 1 plus 2 बुझी फार्मूला होची -1 टू द पावर I plus j here I is equal to 1 j equal to 2 so -1 to the 1 plus 2 and जेमिति हमें माइनर बाहर करथि कारण 1 2 एलिमेंट रो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम कवर कर दियो केते रहला -5 रहला तो -1 रो पावर 3 -5 दिस इज इक्वल टू -1 into what -5 so answer plus okay then A21 or C21 -1 to the power 2 plus 1 first row first column for second row first column cut दियो 3 रहेगा and this is equal to -1 to power 3 into 3 -1 into 3 -3 now A22 or C22 same thing C22 -1 to the power 2 plus 2 second row second column कर दियो रहला into कते into 2 -1 पावर कते 4 हला into 2 -1 पावर 4 माने 1 into what 2 this is equal to this is the systematic process or you can do shortly you can do this is systematic process another method if I plus j is equal to even then the sign is positive, if I plus j is odd then sign is negative. Now I will do another question, other process. Find the cofactors of the 7 to 2 minus 5. This is suppose first अब बाहर करिबा A11 और C11 ए दीटा ऐड करो I plus j ऐड करो ए दीटा ऐड करिवो 1 plus 1 ए दीटा ऐड करिवो इवन हला जुग्म इवन माने जुग्म इवन हला तो इवन हला किछि साइन पकेबोनी कोन करिवो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम काट दियो जति गला -5 ओके तापरे A12 और C12 जोड़ लिखले भी गोटे लिखियो तमे एग्जाम रे 1 plus 2 एटा 12 पढिबोनी 1 2 पढिबो 1 plus 2 3 ऑड हला गोटे फर्स्ट माइनस साइन पकेबो ऑड हो फर्स्ट माइनस गोटे साइन पकेबो 1 2 एटा कवर कर दियो केते रहला 1 2 2 रहला 2 देन A21 और C21 जोड़ा लिखि चलियो गोटे लिखियो A21 2 plus 1 3 ऑड हेले माइनस फर्स्ट माइनस पक तापर चिंता कर ऑड हेले कोन फर्स्ट माइनस पुट करियो माइनस पकेबो 2 1 काट दियो सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम रहला केते 2 सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम रहला केते 2 ओके देन A22 2 plus 2 4 इवन है साइन नहीं ऑड है माइनस साइन सो 2 + 2 4 है इवन है तो साइन पकानी सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम रहला केते दिस इज और C22 वी कैन राइट सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम सेकेंड रो 7 रहला एटा हो तार प्रोसेस बुझि पल्लो दिस इज द प्रोसेस एवे now to find the cofactors from the third order determinant to find the cofactor from third order determinant find the cofactors find the cofactors find the cofactors of 2 3 -1 4 5 7 2 -3 4 0 हला एटा टे भला देखि दियो कि फर्स्ट बाहर करिवा माइनर ऑफ दिस इज क्वेश्चन ओके राइट अगेन हियर सॉल्यूशन 2 3 -1 4 7 2 -3 4 0 ये लिखिबा यार पोजीशन फर्स्ट कॉलम तो कोफैक्टर तो C11 लिखिले हो A11 लिखिले हो जोटा गोटले 1 + 1 इवन आ किछ साइन पका इवन है किछ साइन पका केवल सेही रो से कॉलम 1 फर्स्ट कॉलम काटि दियो केतरला 7 2 4 0 ओके तो 7 * 0 means 0 -8 आंसर इज -8 C11 now C12 इधर ऐड करो ऑड हेले फर्स्ट काम माइनस ऑड हेले फर्स्ट काम होच कोन माइनस पुट कर ऑड हेले तो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम काट दियो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम काट दियो 4 2 -3 0 हेले माइनस ब्रैकेट बाहर अछि माइनस अछि तो ब्रैकेट पके दवा 0 * 4 0 2 * -3 -6 and minus of -6 okay so this is +6 again minus this is -6 so similarly C13 1 + 3 even है साइन के पकेबनी फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम काटवा रहला केते 4 7 -3 4 एटा कैलकुलेशन करले 16 माइनस हे प्लस हे 21 this is equal to what 7 this is 37 okay this is C13 now this is -6 okay this is -6 now find C21 we find C21 okay C21 means what this is not visible so write here C21 okay 2 + 1 odd so put minus sign odd है minus sign put करियो 2 + 1 3 है odd है minus sign put second row first column काटी दियो केते रहउची 3 - 1 4 0 4 0 ठीक अछि देन एबे कोन हो देखो आगे माइनस अछि माइनस लिखिबा 3 - 0 0 3 * 0 0 and -4 of -4 so this is equal to what 0 sorry this is minus this is 4 -4 and minus plus again minus so -4 again C22 2 + 2 even है तो साइन किछ पकन डिटरमिनेंट लिखिबा सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम को कट करके सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम कट कर देते 2 - 1 2 - 1 2 - 1 -3 0 so 0 - 3 is equal to what -3 now C23 2 + 3 odd है फर्स्ट माइनस odd है माने फर्स्ट माइनस पकेबो तापर देखिबा ओमिट करो रो कॉलम को 2 3 सेकेंड रो थर्ड कॉलम 2 3 minus 3 4. Okay, so this is equal to, so here 2 3 means odd, so minus 4 minus sign, second row third column काट कर दियो 2 3 minus 4. so अगर कौन अच्छी फर्स्ट साइन फर्स्ट अच्छी हमर माइनस अच्छी माइनस पुट करिवा 8 minus of minus, this is 3 into 3 9, this minus sign and this is plus minus 17. Okay, now C 2 3 2 plus 3, this is 2 plus 3 over and C third row by 3 1 third row first column even है ना 3 plus 1 4 है ना third row first column काट दियो 3 minus 1 7 2 3 minus 1 7 2 ये ला 6 minus of minus 7, that is 6 plus 7 13. now C 3 2 odd है ना तो माइनस साइन पुट करो माइनस साइन पुट कला परे थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम कट कर दियो 2 minus 1 and what is here 2 minus 1 4 2 आगे माइनस अच्छे माइनस लिखिबा ब्रैकेट पकेबा 4 minus 4 so this is plus 4, this is equal to what minus 8. now C 3 3, this is 3 plus 3 6 even है ना तो साइन किसी रहबनी थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम काट दियो 2 3 4 7 2 3 काट दियो ला देखो बोला रे 2 3 4 7 so 14 minus 12 which is equal to 2. This is answer. These are the cofactors. Now dear students, today we discuss the minor, what is minor of the element, what is cofactor of the element, and how to find the minors and cofactors from the determinants. Okay, in next class we will read the property of the determinant. There are 10 properties. First page we have discussed 5 property, then after 5 another class we will discuss another 5 properties. So these practice carefully. Plus minus sign is here according to the rule I plus j is even, then there is no sign, omit the row and column and find the value of the determinant. But in case of I plus j is odd, then put first minus sign before the determinants of determinant and find its value. Thank you, have a nice day. Okay, thank you.